Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise number 6.1 in the chapter integer. Question number 5. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Here we have 5 places and their temperature are given on a particular day. So in this question we have 4 parts. So you can find each question on the basis of these temperature. Okay. So very first question is, write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank place. Okay. So here we have 5 places. The given places are, first one is Siachen. Siachen, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Second is Shimla, 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad, 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Delhi, 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Srinagar, 5 degree below 0 degree Celsius. So, the question is, there is temperature are converted into integers. You can write here. Okay. How it can be solved? The first place, the place is Siachen. The temperature is 10 degree below 0 degree Celsius. So, here we have one keyword, that is below. Below indicates what? It is a negative integer. Okay. So, the temperature of Siachen is 10 degree below 0 degree Celsius. So, the answer or integer of temperature of Siachen is minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay. Any doubt? Second place is Shimla. The temperature is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So here we have one keyword, that is below, that indicates a negative integer. So the answer will be minus 2 degree. Minus 2 degree Celsius. You can write on the textbook or your notebook. Okay. Next place is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is 30 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. The keyword is above. Above stands for a positive integer. Above stands for a positive integer. So the answer will be a positive integer. So the answer is plus 30 degree Celsius. That is the temperature of Ahmedabad. Okay, next place is Delhi. Delhi, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Here, as same as Ahmedabad, the keyword is above. So the answer will be positive integer. So the answer is plus 20 degree Celsius. Next place is Srinagar. Srinagar, the temperature is 5 degrees centigrade below 0 degree Celsius. So the keyword is below. So the answer will be a negative integer because below stands for a negative integer. So the answer will be minus 5 degree Celsius. So we finished the question number 8. Coming to B, following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So we have 5 cities and their temperature are given, right? In this question, a number line is given. We can plot the name of the city against its temperature. First city is Siachen. Siachen, its temperature is minus 10 degree Celsius, right? So here we can mark Siachen as in the minus 10 degree Celsius. So here we can see minus 10, right? So we can mark the Siachen here. This is the place of the Siachen in a number line according to their temperature, right? Then go to the next place, that is Shimla. Their temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. So here we can represent Shimla here. Minus 2 degree is present between minus 5 and 0, right? So we can find minus 2. 1, 2. Here is the place of Shimla, right? So we can mark Shimla here. Shimla. Then next place is Ahmedabad. That temperature is plus 30 degrees Celsius. So in the number line, here we can see the 30 degree Celsius, right? So we can mark Ahmedabad here. Ahmedabad. Okay. So we can mark the here also. Then next place is Delhi. Delhi, the temperature is plus 20 degree. So here your plus 20 degrees Celsius. So you can mark Delhi here and also mark the here. Okay. Then that next is Srinagar. Srinagar, the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So minus 5 is here. You can see. So you can write down here. Srinagar. Right? So and also mark the Srinagar here. Okay. This is the B part. We can see in the how different places will be marked on a number line, right? Coming to C, which is the coolest place? So here you can check the temperatures from the given places. Okay, which number is small? It stands for the coolest place. So here minus 10 is the smallest number. So the temperature is low. That place will be the coolest place. In this group, Siachen represents minus 10 degree Celsius. That is the smallest number of the given pair. So the answer will be Siachen. Siachen is the coolest place in the given places. Okay. Coming to the fourth part, D. Write the names of the cities where temperature are above 10 degree Celsius. So here there is two cities. The cities are Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Srinagar. So their temperature is here. Okay. So here there is two cities above 10 degree will showing. That is plus 30 degree and plus 20 degree Celsius. That temperature showing cities are Ahmedabad and Delhi. So other places indicates negative integer, that is minus 10 degree, minus 2 degree and minus 5 degree. These are all negative integers. So the question is, write the names of the cities where the temperature above 10 degree Celsius, that is a positive integer, right? So above 10 degree Celsius showing cities are Ahmedabad and Delhi, because their temperature is 30 degree Celsius and 20 degree Celsius. So the question number 5 and D, the answer is, the cities are Delhi and Ahmedabad. Because their temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius, that is Delhi's temperature is plus 20 degrees Celsius and Ahmedabad temperature is plus 30 degree Celsius. Other places indicates the negative integer, that is minus 10 degree, minus 2 degree and minus 5 degrees Celsius. So that is they are on the below 10 degree Celsius. So this is how we have worked out for the solution of the question number 5. Okay, thank you children.